Well, tariff tremors were felt on Dalal Street today, given the fact that we saw two straight days of deep sell-off on Wall Street, and U.S. futures also hinting at deep cuts today as well. So yes, so the market started on the back foot. In fact. The Nifty saw a 1,000 point cut in intraday trade, its worst fall since 4th June 2024. The Sensex as well, at open, it was down somewhere around 3,000 points or thereabouts. But yes, towards the end of the session, we did see some bit of a pullback. The Nifty managing to recover 460 points from the day's low, and the Sensex as well recouped as much as 1,600 point loss. If you look at the mid and small cap indices, both of them were also suffering deep gashes, but ended with losses of somewhere around 3.5 to 4% or thereabouts. Sectorally, metals were the biggest losers, almost a 7% cut coming in on the metal index, followed by the realty pack that saw cuts of somewhere around 6% or so. Autos, IT, all of them were under severe selling pressure, but IT did well to recoup some of the intraday losses. In terms of laggards, then you had stocks like Trent. Of course, the fourth quarter update was disappointing, and so the stock shaved off somewhere around 15% or so, followed by Tata Steel. Other metal names like JSW Steel and Hindalco were also among the big laggards today. Of course, what really happens when it comes to the US market tonight will determine whether or not we see the sell-off extend into tomorrow as well or not. But yes, all eyes will be on the US market open later tonight. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.